little spooky out here. Oh my. But you know what? I must keep it real and tell them folks exactly what it is. Oh my. But look, first thing first, right? R.I.P. Big Zuck. R.I.P. Dog. Our whole city has been taking loss after loss after loss after loss. But man, the situation getting spooky. R.I.P. to my guy, Bowleg. That's the thing about it. Bowleg was a phenomenal guy. Especially from when I was young, all the way till I got older. From the teen club back in the Sean Gunn days, all the way up to he working in all the clubs basically. Ever since I can remember. You know what I'm saying? Cause I'm a little younger than them guys. So Bowleg, me and him was locked in. RP to that guy. But his truck to being implicated in the Big Zuck situation is wow. Oh my. It's wow. I mean, like, there's a lot of stuff that transpired. It got everybody thinking one way, then this come out the blue, and the truck is in Texas. Oh my. It's wow. So I'm just sitting there thinking, like, this crazy. And then I'm seeing them run the Road Hero video back, you know. Me seeing them run the Road Hero video back, and this video is a long way from 2 years, way back when, a year or something ago, and they run their video back. You know what I'm saying? Big Zuck just hold it down low. When he said that about Big Zuck, you know what I'm saying? Put all on the dog head, like all of it is getting crazy to me. It's crazy. It's like they just picking things out the blue. They just picking things up and seeing what's gonna stick. All right, and seeing what's gonna stick. You understand, G? See, I ain't about it though. All these guys is major people in the city, and for me to just sit back and peep things out, everything a desert for entertainment purpose. But y'all know what's real. Y'all really know what's real. Oh my. But y'all tell me how y'all. Is it because the truck is hidden, like, is it Texas? Do it make us think Texas, man? Or are we supposed to be thinking Texas and something else going on behind it in the rap? So what's going on? Like, what's going on? Oh my. This thing that took a real spooky turn, what the little stuff is that they putting out there, and people implementing like stuff into here and there, and like all the outside folk, out of town folk, like I ain't even focusing on y'all, don't even be watching y'all videos because I really know these people. So, you know, I ain't gonna, I'm gonna go off the real true instincts, and at the same time, I'm gonna go off with the streets. You know what I'm talking about? Really putting out there. You know what I'm saying? The real streets of Memphis. Because anything else, folks calling folks out on all they flawness and all put out there. Folks are really calling these folks out on their flaws. It's crazy, but it's real. Yeah, it's crazy, but it's really real. I ain't gonna put too much out there, man, but y'all know what? In one-on-one with Stan G, me and Mr. N just went crazy. We just went bananas. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm the number one down south journalist in the game that's really pushing this thing on a whole nother level. You understand, G? And doing salute to my guy DJ Academics for putting me, you know what I'm talking about, on his platform. Man, it ain't been nothing but love, man. This been a ride, but I need y'all to ride with me, man. All my Energy Gang Global gang, Energy Gang Global, man. I told y'all, man, we going up, man. We ain't stopping it out, we popping it out, Jay. You understand, G? That whole situation is getting real spooky, man. Because that's the whole plot twist right there. When that happened, I'm like, hold on. Then it threw me off. Folks started hitting me up, let me know, like, then it threw them off. But it only get deeper as time goes. It only get deeper, for real. 'Cause, I hear what everybody be saying, like in the city, but at the same time, I got my own mind. You feel me? Yeah, I got my own mind at the same time. So don't let these folks throw y'all on that saying what they saying about Stan G. But Stan G, I really locked this guy down. You know what I'm talking about? And he came to me, he came to my town, Memphis. And I'm just known around the city and I really been locked in. So y'all see what's going on. Y'all see all these interviews I got back to back. Less than less than really 24 days. Let's keep it all the way real. 24 hours. It ain't nothing but love, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't been showing nothing but love and keeping it real. The real do pay off. You ain't gotta finesse your way all the way through life. Keeping it real do pay off. You understand, G? Big love and all the above. Oh my. Understand, G. Man, let me know what y'all wanna know. Now we finna do it together. Let me know what y'all wanna know.